wearing the Pacquiao entourage.
46 fights, 45 victories, including 32 knockouts, with only one defeat. From Manchester, England, the three-time world champion, and fighting out of the red knockout, 3 defeats and 2 draws.
Caution to keep the fight clean at all times, protect yourself at all times, and when I say you must obey, good luck, touch up.
They are genuinely friendly. They like each other. It should not show up in the fight.
No.
Question 1, is round 1 a boxing match, or does Hackle want to
the keys to victory, which we didn't have a chance to show to the others, was for him to create anxiety and pressure on Manny, unlike anybody else that's ever did before. But you have to watch Manny, because Manny feels the better puncher.
So Hackle wants to apply pressure, but with care.
Yes.
Against Pacquiao's faster hand.
Yes. But I think he does that.
Hard right hand by Pacquiao. Trying to get Hack. Key element of the game plan for Pacquiao. Allow Hack to come forward, catch him on the way in. A key element of the game plan for Hack. Get Pacquiao against the ropes. Just like that.
Pacquiao's been more successful with the right than the left. That punch missed. There's the right again punch.
Nope, follows the jab with a hook, comes back with another jab. There's the straight left hand. And he landed it right on Hack's chin. And down goes Hack. After he splits the difference with a left hook. And that's a knockdown for Manny Pacquiao. Perfect right hand inside.
I don't know if I can see the difference of it. But not the fact that the guy that goes out of the mat is the fight.
Hack's got a couple of extra seconds as Bailiff tried to back Pacquiao off. Pacquiao was coming out of the neutral corner in a hurry. Lands another right hook.
Pacquiao's
The
hands
fight
are
back. Pacquiao's hands are blindingly fast.
no opponent sees the punches coming. Very
Another
accurate.
perfect right hand for Pacquiao. Another right hook. Straight left hand. Pacquiao's landing it well. Hard left hand. Hack has to hold on. Will Hack make it out of the round? He's got. This is the brilliance of the Filipino slugger. A tsunami for Manny Pacquiao in round 1.
Right hook is coming in. Never saw it. It was amazing to see him land a punch and then slip a punch all at the same time. So unbelievable coordination. The issue has always been whether Hack will get to Pacquiao and avoid these kinds of clean punches.
I'll give up numbers in round 1. Pacquiao was 35 out of 62, 31 out of 52 power shots. Hack only 8 out of 33. It was a Pacquiao storm in the first round.
We have to remember now, it's a different type of fight, that Pacquiao knocked Marquez down 3 times in the first round.
And then Hack is not a counterpuncher. Hard left hand by Hack. Ricky has decided to fight fire with fire.
And what is not to do in that case, if you get to try to smother the guy and get close. Trying to punch on a certain distance. Pacquiao actually just shot him down.
You can't just jump all over him. You've got to move your head. You've got to think. You've got to do the things we talked about in training camp. Hasn't seemed to believe that he could physically overpower Pacquiao from the beginning.
We know in the beginning he was going to take the lead from him. He did. Coming in, Pacquiao feels it's a
Fight with both right and left hand. Misses the right hook there.
what Ricky needs to do is just smother. He cannot even give him as much as he can push him. That's what he's doing now.
Good left hook inside by Hack. And then he slows down Pacquiao's left side. Hard right hand again by Pacquiao. Ricky can't see the hook coming. Eddie Bailiff warns Hack for holding behind the head.
In Hack's most famous victory over Costas Tszyu, he just smothered him. Can't seem to be able to get close
is going to be all right. That Patton's fiance, Jennifer, in the red dress. Once Pacquiao stopped the thinking knockout and went back to boxing, then he got the knockout.
He timed it just right. Timed with a perfect left-hand shot at his stomach.
Landing 34 of his last 53 power shots. 64%. And you know, take a look at this. Take a look at this.
This is a perfect time.
That was super slow motion.
Yeah, and he never saw time to coming in.
It's the first time he's knocked out somebody like this since he was at 130 pounds.
And
Grand of Las Vegas, the end comes at 2 minutes 59 seconds, round number 2. The winner by TKO victory. And now,
wants to be the case. Ricky's a brilliant and brave fighter. For his part, Emmanuel, he's
When you're over-aggressive fighter the way that he is. In both of his losses.
Pac-Man.
Skill is a skillful, talented fighter that the public respects, and the physical size, I think, would be a factor. I think it would be like a toss-up. Maybe they may favor Floyd. But I don't know. Pacquiao's won the hearts of so many people that, you know, hearts and emotions get in the way of betting sometimes and common sense. I don't know.
all right, and as we talk